When I finish my actual job, my actual workload, I need time to breathe. I need to breathe. Then I need to get myself together, get my items together, and get ready to get out in the car and get ahead of LA traffic for evening rush. And I'll do that during the week. I set my appointments around times that suit me. That's okay. That's okay. I was calling on behalf of your insurance carrier, Hartford Fire. Yeah, I wanted to see about making some sort of an arrangement for an appointment to come and see you. Okay. Yes, that's what it is. Well, see, yes, I understand. Well, the person who was coming, they switched over and give his file to me. So, yeah, I'm sorry about the mix-up. Okay, well, that's okay. I can set an appointment for you during the evenings, preferably after 4 o'clock, unless you are available sometime Saturday or tomorrow. Okay. Okay, preferably after 4. Okay, so is there a way that I'll be able to actually contact her just in case that something comes up? Yes. Okay, is there a separate phone number for her? Okay, so give me a roundabout time for Monday. On Mondays, it'll have to be in the evenings. Okay, let's say around 4 o'clock. Okay, I'm going to put you down for 4 o'clock on Monday, and I'll give you a call back. Would you prefer earlier in the day to verify? Okay, I most definitely do that. Thank you so much for calling me back. You're welcome. Have a good day. Okay, bye-bye. When you're doing inspections, that's one of the things that you're going to have to do. Get used to being able to actually make appointments. Not all of them now, because there are some inspections where the only thing you have to do is to actually take pictures, probably on the app. I don't know for sure, but I work for companies. So on some of these that I'm doing right now, I actually have to set appointments for some of the clients. There's no problem with me doing that. I have no issue with doing it. It's just that most definitely can slow down your pay on that scale. So let's say, for instance, if you're getting paid once a week through whatever company you're working for. Of course, you can already work on your own time. So there's no problem with that. Work how you feel, move the way you want to move. They have no issue with that. The problem is that sometimes you may get a work, like say for instance with this one I'm working with now, they loaded me up with 25 addresses. And out of the 25, I only had 8 of them that do not have an appointment required. The rest of them, 17, require an appointment. Lucky for me, I got like 2 or 3 that went on ahead and set a time. One of them let me come on that actual day because I was free and I wanted to go anyway. But the rest of them, sometimes you can't get a hold to them. But remember now, you do not have to worry about chasing these people down. Just like him, the guy I just got off the phone with, he set his for Monday at 4 o'clock. So I know 4 o'clock I'll be at that home. I'm going to give him an actual call back, courtesy call, probably around 3 o'clock, verify that I can actually show up for 4 o'clock. If for any reason he says, no, she's not going to be able to be there, I'm not going to be able to be there, then I'll allow him to try to set an arrangement for another appointment at another time and another day. The reason why I give it to him is after 4 o'clock is because most days I'm not off my job until about 2:30, maybe 3 o'clock if I pull over a little bit, depending on how booked I am. When I finish my actual job, my actual workload, I need time to breathe. I need to breathe. Then I need to get myself together, get my items together, and get ready to get out in the car and get ahead of LA traffic for evening rush. And I'll do that during the week. I set my appointments around times that suit me. Most times I will set them for like the weekend, anytime before 12, they can set an appointment, because I may have something I want to do in the evening times, and I'm not going to book my weekend up messing with this. The only issue that I have with it is that sometimes you can't get a hold of people. So I'm going to show you how I have it situated for myself. So this is how I have it. I have one file here. I'm going to see if you can see it. It says appointments needed. These are people who I'll call to see about making an appointment. If I can't get a hold to them, there's no way to leave a message for them, then it'll go in this file. If I leave a message for them and they just didn't answer, then it goes into this file here that says callbacks. I've called these people. I'm waiting on them to respond back to me. I don't have to keep calling them every day, and I wouldn't do that anyway. So what happens is, according to the rules of the business, when you call them, if they don't answer, you leave a message. They have 7 days, and I can do that up to 3 times. After that 3rd time, and they don't respond to voicemail or anything, or even if I shoot a text message, they not responding, then guess what I do? I go in the system and I close their file out. I'm done with them. And then this one right here is the ones that have actual appointment times for people who have set appointments for me to actually come by their house. Now, when I get there, the job is very easy to do, get it done and get out. But some homes, you have to have an appointment, because you may have to take a picture of their plumbing up under the bathroom sink and the kitchen sink, take a picture of their electric fuse box or their circuit breaker, which may be in the house, and a water heater, and you can't go in unless someone makes an appointment, right? So that's what the appointments are for. And then, of course, I have my heavy duty appointment book, and I use that for that. So I just wanted to run that across you and show you that these are some of the things that you may have to deal with as far as making appointments. It doesn't mean that your money will actually slow down, as long as they give you enough work for you to clock those dollars for the unappointments. Like today when I get off, I have 1 appointment and I have 3 others that I'm going to work after the appointment. Yesterday I had 1 appointment and I worked 5 others other than the appointment. With that being said, you guys know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. First, like, and then subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you are one, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Turn on the notification bell, because you know I'm going to be bringing you something back later. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and have a wonderful day.